Welcome to the channel, everyone. Well, you can see I got a bunch of parts here for the 80 Chevy Silverado project. Got some doors, right and left door, and then behind here these are right and left fenders. You can see it's for 73 to 80 pickup and blazer. These are the Holly brand, which Holly has bought pretty much everybody out. So the doors, they're the cheaper ones. You can pay upwards of $1,200 for a set of doors. I didn't pay near that. So I guess they're considered the cheap door. I mean, they're all made in the same place, so I don't know what you're talking about, cheaper door, better door. I mean, I'd have to see a better aftermarket door in person to believe that there's a difference in these parts. But yeah, you know, I'm hoping that cheap aftermarket doors fit cheap aftermarket fenders, you know, versus like a factory door and an aftermarket fender, or aftermarket door and a factory fender. I'm hoping it lines up better with that, but I don't know, I'm scared to unpack these to see damage, shipping damage. There's a mark there that don't look good. I mean, they were in a big box, so it looks like they tried to protect them, but with that shipping, who knows what happens when they're shipped. But these doors here, they don't fit at all. They fit horribly. I don't know if they're just misaligned or what, but they're pretty rotted down below. So I'm gonna start off with just some new doors. So I gotta get those fitted. Once I get those fitted, I can go after the cab corners and rockers and stuff like that to get them fitted, because you gotta have your door. You gotta know where your door is at to line up your rockers. But the cab isn't that bad. I mean, it could be a lot worse, but it's really not that bad. But I'm gonna start out with getting some fresh doors on it, and we'll go from there, I guess. Okay, so these doors, they're about what I expected. Worst of the shipping damage, or whatever damage at their factories, right here. I mean, it's not terrible. It's been smashed. It's not terrible, but the problem is you already gotta spend time to fit these fenders, and now you gotta do almost body work before you start fitting, which is absolutely ridiculous, but it is what it is. There is another, this door's got another little bit of a dent right there. I'm hoping maybe get a suction cup on that, pop that out. But yeah, it's overall, like I said, about like I expected. This door is a lot better. I think there's a little baby ding down there. There is no major damage like the other fender. The insides of these fenders are not that great. The bottoms are really ripply. But like I said, I'm not building a show truck, so you know, it's not going to be perfect, so it's fine for what I'm doing. You know, I'll primer the bottoms, you know, do some sanding with some block sanding and stuff. We'll get most of it out. It'll probably be hard to see it. But like I said, for what I'm building, hopefully it's going to be fine. I just hope all the internal stuff fits. Door handles, everything like that. Okay, so these fenders, I can't really find any shipping damage or dents or dings, which is really nice actually. A little bit of scraping going on right here and right here on both fenders. I don't know exactly know what that is. It looks like they're drug on cement. But other than that, they actually look pretty good. I mean, they got the basic shape. You won't know till you bolt them up how bad the fit really is. But like I said, they're all made in Taiwan, so I guess we'll see. Like I said, at least they ain't gonna do any body work before the actual fitting with these fenders. So the fenders are a pleasant surprise. I was expecting some type of damage. But yeah, they are like a satin black versus like a semi-gloss on the doors. So I guess, I don't know, we'll see how this cheap stuff goes together. You know, if it doesn't go together, I know why, at least. But yeah, that's what I got. You know, this stuff probably ain't gonna fit the greatest, but it is all rust free. There's no rust in this stuff. So that's a big plus too. But anyway, guys, that's what I got for the truck. I gotta eventually start fitting it, the doors and stuff, to the cab. So that'll probably be the next video. Whenever I get to that, I've been doing other things, trying to get other stuff done because I've been working on the frame and the chassis pretty much just non-stop, and I've not been able to do much anything else. So I've been trying to get all the little things that I neglected to do out of the way. So yeah, eventually we'll get to fitting these doors, guys, but I don't exactly know when. So I guess this is a quick video of the cheap fenders and doors that I picked up. I'll have links where I got them, guys. You can go check them out if you need some stuff. But I won't know about fitting it until I start actually fitting the stuff up. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys.